how to deactivate your Threads account. Hello, welcome once again. In today's video, you would learn how you can deactivate your Threads account. So kindly watch until the end. First of all, log in into your Threads page, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in on your Threads page, you can see different posts made here. All right, then the next thing you should do is for you to move to the bottom part of the screen where you can see some icons such as home, search, plus icon, like icon, and then your profile icon. Choose your profile icon by the bottom right corner. On the profiles page, you'd see your profile name, your username, your bio, etc. Then move to the top right corner and click the menu icon. On the settings page, a number of options will be displayed, which includes follow and invite friends, notifications, liked, saved, archived, privacy, accessibility, account, language, early access, etc. To select account. On the account page, locate the deactivate or delete profile, and then you'll be asked a page will be displayed where you'd see deactivating your profile is temporary, deleting your profile is permanent, only applies to your Threads profile, your Instagram account would not be deactivated or deleted. So select the first option here, which says deactivate profile, and then this will temporarily hide your profile, post, and engagement history until you decide to reactivate it. And that's just how to do it. But if you want to permanently delete your Threads account, um, you might need to reach out to the customer support since your Threads account is directly linked to your Instagram page. So there you go. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.